quad lock mount is probably one of the easiest and most secure mounts you can get for your phone. Today I'm going to show you how I use it in the Tacoma. Since quad lock came out with the new flat case, I've gone all in on this system and installed it on all of my motorcycles and now in my truck. For the truck installation, I went with the quad lock magnetic charging base. To complete this installation, you'll need to purchase the quad lock mag wireless charging head and the adhesive dash mount. It is super clean and super easy to use. It's very sturdy. You can put the phone in either orientation. There are a bunch of different options when it comes to mounting your phone. I used to have this big setup here. As you can see, the new quad lock is way simpler than my old setup. This clamped into the vent like this and held the phone kind of in the same area. One of the issues I had with this is that I couldn't close my vent all the way. As far as wiring goes, I used the supplied cable and just ran it behind this piece, which easily just pops off by pulling. And then I wired it down and plugged it in to the USB. This is the simplest way. The other way you can do it is take apart the center console and run the wire into the middle and plug it into the USB in the center console. That way it's completely hidden. The third way you can do it is purchase something like this auxiliary USB plug, wire that in behind the dash, and plug it in that way. Either way, the only cable you see is this small length here. And when you're sitting looking at the steering wheel, you can't even see the cable, especially with the phone in place. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped you decide how to mount your phone in your truck. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tacoma and overlanding related videos.